Ever eaten chocolate and sneezed? What is going on? It's called gustatory rhinitis, when certain foods like chocolate or spicy dishes trigger your nose to sneeze. Some scientists believe it's genetic, so if chocolate makes you sneeze, you might just have inherited it. So don't worry, you're not alone. You're just one of the rare few with a sneeze-triggering nose. Do you sneeze when eating chocolate? Let me know in the comments.
And don't forget to subscribe for more answers to whys you've always wondered about.